Now this nursery bed for hot pepper is ready to be for transplanting. This looks too mature. When you transplant it to the main garden, doesn't it die off? No, it does not die off. It just continues to grow when you transplant it. So you have to plant the nursery bed in a line, just like you can see here. You do not just scatter. Now if the plants in the nursery bed they've really overly grown, this is what you can do. As soon as you transplant it, trim it. As soon as you transplant it to in the main garden, trim it. You can uproot it, trim it like this, and then plant it. Now this is actually very good because as soon as it's planted, it starts to blossom again. So he's demonstrating to us what you can do to the plant when it has overly grown to give it to boost its growth in the garden again. You don't have to do this, but if you feel like they've really overgrown, you can do this.